Hey guys, so the weather's clearing up. We're making our preparations to start on the ceramic coating. Real quick, just wanted to show you guys what product we're going to be using. So we're using this AvalonKing. So it is a product out there for DIYers like ourselves. We got, here it is. So we got 5 of these little coatings. I'm gonna make another package. One coating is good enough for one car. They do recommend 2 applications, but guys, this is a motorhome. We're just gonna do 1 application, so we hope 5 is enough. I'm unboxing it. There is a step. You want to definitely decontaminate the vehicle, and we are ceramic coating because, guys, this is full auto paint, so this stuff is going to be perfect for it. We're gonna see how this goes. So let's see. It comes with this is a little card, a thank you note. And when I did purchase it, guys, they did send us 2 emails with instructions on the first step was just how we should get it prepped and washed prior to the coating, and then the second email came to follow on how to get the coating applied. So here it is. It's this little bottle, and in this, along with the bottle of coating, so we bought 5 of these guys. Okay, so along with that, you get a microfiber towel, guys. This block, you need this block because this is what you need to get the coating onto the paint. Some gloves, these are gloves. And this cloth. This cloth is going to be wrapped around onto this, and that's how you're going to get the coating on. And a little sticker. One more, the instructions and additional instructions. If you didn't get their email and the instructions, they did provide us with a set of instructions. So just in case for some reason who knows, it went into your spam or something. And that's it. So we're gonna tackle this on, guys. This is going to be a very big project for us. Okay, we're just getting the scaffold out to get it ready for the high parts, obviously, and we're getting the pressure washer ready so we can start the decontamination wash process of the motorhome. We got as much dry as we possibly can. We're gonna start on one side first, guys. Right. Okay, we've got everything dried. Now we're just going to wipe everything down with isopropyl alcohol to get the surface cleaned and ready for the coating. Putting on the coating, and I'm gonna time it for 3.5 minutes due to the temperature. You guys see that rainbow effect? After my 3 minutes and 30 seconds is up, I'm gonna go and wipe it. So we're gonna try to get rid of that rainbow sheen to level out the coating, and we're gonna use the microfiber towels that they included in the box. Okay, I am wiping off. I'm going over and wiping off what Kevin applied. So guys, this is actually the easy part. The hard part was getting this all cleaned and dried and prepped. So now we're just gonna repeat the process. Alright guys, we are done just getting the cover on because this thing cannot touch water for 48 hours, so we don't want the morning dew hitting it. And you know what? We picked up 5 bottles, but 3 was good, guys. We dusted 2, and there's actually, I don't know if you could see that where the water line is, but there's still a good amount. We're probably gonna use the rest to get the inside and maybe touch up a few things that we didn't get a chance to get. And FYI, these towels that you're using to wipe off the ceramic coating, trash, guys. Do not keep it, because don't wash it, don't reuse it, don't use it for anything else, don't hoard it, whatever, just throw it away, because there is like glass particles in these things, so you definitely do not want to put it in your washer. You don't want to use it for anything. Yeah, just throw it out. Alright, she's all covered. We'll see her in a few days. Okay, it's been a few days. They do recommend 5 to 7 days till you put water on it, but you can start driving it after the first 5 hours, but give it 24 to 48 hours to start driving, only if you can really hold out that long on driving. So we are taking her out this weekend, but as soon as we get back, guys, we're gonna definitely show you guys the water test.
See how it does its teeth? When I pull away,
guys, that was our water test, so we'll finish cleaning up here. Gotta finish cleaning up the rest of this, and I'll put the link to the description box on the brand that we purchased, along with our affiliate links if you guys are interested in purchasing these. So again, I mentioned we only used 3 applications. We purchased 5. Either we can recoat it again, or we plan on doing a giveaway. So leave us a comment, let us know what you guys would like us to do if you guys are interested in a giveaway. Follow us on Instagram, and I'll see if I can come up with a giveaway option, and I'll keep you guys in the loop on that. See you guys next time. One more thing, look what came in the mail, guys. Our side panel. This is the panel that goes behind the passenger mirror right here. So we'll get that on and we'll add some coating to that as well. Now we're just waiting for 2 more things.